Introduced short overview by Feasto 22701A 30 quart, aluminum turkey fryer and fish fryer set, for outdoor cooking, CSA certified, turkey deep fryer pot with basket, seafood boiler pot. 50,000 BTU propane burner, outdoor fryer. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating, and because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helps you answer the question, is it worth buying? In YouTube's description it is a prominent feature, we are suggest some features, if you want Feasto 22701A 30 quart, aluminum turkey fryer and fish fryer set, more details and /or features. Descriptions or full reviews, please visit the link in part of YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe button, press to select the bell, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.